It was a sunny day. A koala and a kangaroo were playing and having fun. They were singing the alphabet song. Suddenly, they saw a kite. It was flying nice in the sky. It looked beautiful with all the lovely colors on it. Both of them underneath the coal. I like a kite. Teddy bear touched the ground. Teddy bear, show your shoe. Teddy bear, that will do. Teddy bear, run say yes. Teddy bear, say your face. Teddy bear, switch off the light. Teddy bear, say good night.